Morning students. Today we will study the chapter The Fearless Fighter. It is from your Unit 3 Reader book. Janaki felt her mouth going dry. Mouth going dry means feeling nervous. As Janaki entered the office of the English Channel Association, she felt nervous. She tried not to look nervous as she faced the officials of the English Channel Swimming Association. Janaki, when entered into the room, she tried that she should not look worried in front of the association officers. How could she swim the channel was the question that every member wanted to ask. Now, as you can see in the picture, the surprised faces of these officials when they saw a handicapped girl has come to participate in the swimming competition. They were surprised. They were surprised. And what was the question in their mind? That how could she swim the channel? Being handicapped, how could she be able to swim in the water? They were shocked to see a physically challenged girl who had come all the way from India to England to participate in an event where she would need all her strength. And how could she achieve it being a polio patient? So the officials were thinking that she is a handicapped girl. They were shocked to see that a handicapped girl has come all alone from India to England just to participate in an event. In an event means which event? Swimming in the English Channel, where she would need all her strength. Strength means power. She has come to participate in an event where she will need a lot of strength. And how could she achieve it being a polio patient? And since this girl is a polio patient, she is polio affected, her legs are not normal, they are polio affected, then how could she swim there? Janaki had been attacked by polio when she was 2 years old. So students, here you are told ki how and when, what happened with Janaki. Janaki was 2 years old. At that time she was attacked by polio. So what was the result? As a result, her leg muscles had become so weak that she could not use her legs at all. So it resulted into what? It resulted into the weakness of her legs and she could not use her legs at all. Whoever wishes to swim the channel has to fulfill two conditions. One of the members tried to explain to Janaki. Now one of the members informed Janaki that if you want to participate in the English Channel, if you want to swim there, you are to fulfill two conditions. Now what are those conditions? Yes, said a confident Janaki. Janaki was very much confident and she already knew that what were those two conditions. So she told herself, let us read. I have been informed that if I wish to participate in this event, I should be able to spend 10 hours continuously in water. So what is the first condition? That a swimmer or a participant must be able to spend 10 hours without any break in the water. And second condition, and that I should be able to swim in the high sea for long hours without a break. It means that the participant should be able to swim in the water which has high current, which has a very high flow, and he or she should be able to swim there for longer hours without any break. So students, you have read just now that Janki already knew about the two conditions. It means she was an able swimmer. Do you think you can qualify for the event? Said another member. So one more member spoke. He asked, what do you think? Can you qualify this event? Here are my certificates, Janki said, handing over the certificates she had earned during 4 years of training. Handing means to give. Janki gave them her certificates which she had earned during her 4 years of training period. And she said, I trained myself by swimming 20 kilometers upstream every day for 3 weeks in the Arabian Sea. And she informed the officials that she has given the training to herself of swimming in Arabian Sea, which is a very deep sea. And every day she has swum there for 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers distance she has already practiced there, and this she has done for 3 weeks. That's a lot of courage, said one of the association members. So the members, they started praising her. One of the members said that you are a very courageous girl. That's not all, Janki smiled. My certificates will also show you that I can swim for 10 hours continuously. She is saying that these certificates will prove that I can swim for 10 hours without any break, which is the first condition. Okay, this is the first condition to swim in the English Channel. All the officials of the English Channel Association were impressed. Impressed means affected to praise, means they praised Janki for this brave act. Finally, they had to give her the permission to swim, and finally they allowed her that okay, you can participate in this swimming competition. Well, congratulations, Janki, you can swim the channel. So the member said that you can swim. Thank you, said a beaming Janki. Beaming means smiling, happy. Janki said thank you to them in a very smiling way, although Janki had wanted to make a solo attempt. Solo means all alone. Attempt means effort. Janki wanted to swim all alone as a single participant in the English Channel. She could not do so because the special boat needed to accompany her for her safety was not available. But she could not do so. Why? Because the special boat that used to accompany the solo swimmer was not available at that time. So it was decided that she would be a part of a relay team. So it was decided that she would participate in relay team. She would be one of the members of a relay team that had mainly American swimmers. Now that relay team, all the members were of America, and she was the only one who belongs to India. Students, relay means that equal distance is divided among all the members of a particular team, and turn wise they have to cover their own distance. July 28, 1992 arrived. It was the day that created history. So on July 28, 1922, Janki showed the courage to swim in the English Channel, and that day created the history. For Janki, it was the day to fulfill her life's ambition. Ambition means wish. So it was the day on which Janki's wish to swim in the English Channel was fulfilled. her ambition to swim the English Channel. Janki could hardly breathe because of excitement. Excitement means happiness. Janki was not able to breathe, means she was so excited, she was so happy that she was not able to breathe properly in her excitement. The ocean seemed more challenging than ever before. And on that day, when she looked at the ocean where she has to swim, means the English Channel, when she looked at the English Channel, the water seemed to be more challenging. It seems to be very difficult to swim there. But nothing would shake Janki's determination to win. Shake means to move. But Janki was so much determined. Determination matlab firm decision. She has taken a firm decision and nothing can sway her from her aim. Her heart was beating uncontrollably. Her heart beating became very fast. She could see her teammates swimming closer towards her. Now you can see in the picture that these are the teammates in the single line, and one by one everybody will get the chance to swim. So when she looked at the back side, she saw that her teammates they have come very closer to her. So now it would be her turn next to swim. So within seconds it would be her turn to swim. What if my determination fails? Now Janki was a little bit scared. She thought कि what would happen if I would not be able to swim? What if I can't swim? Janki put aside these thoughts and tried to concentrate on the event. But Janki, as you know, she was a courageous girl. She put off all the thoughts from her mind and just concentrated on the event. Before she realized, Janki was swimming in the channel. Before she could realize what was going on in her mind, she started swimming in the channel. She could hardly believe it. उसको विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा था कि finally she had got the chance to swim in the English Channel. But she had a tough fight ahead. तो उसको काफ़ी struggle करना पड़ा. Most of her energy was taken up by the waves that kept moving her legs sideways. So what was that struggle? क्या struggle था वो? While swimming, because the water current was very high, पानी बहुत तेज बह रहा था, तो क्या हुआ, उसके जो legs थे जो कि paralyzed थे, वो बार बार साइड में बह रहे थे. And the channel water that was very cold, और चैनल का पानी भी बहुत ठंडा था. The water was so salty that every time it entered my mouth, it made me feel sick. Recalled Janki. Recalled means remember. Janki told one more problem, that while she was swimming in the channel, the water was salty. And when water entered her mouth, she felt uncomfortable. She felt like vomiting. Maybe like this. The seaweeds and the jellyfish kept sticking to my body and made me extremely uncomfortable. And aquatic animals and aquatic plants that were in the ocean, like seaweeds and jellyfish, they were sticking to her body. वो उसकी body पे चिपक गए थे, and she was feeling extremely uncomfortable. She was feeling very much uncomfortable, very much uneasy. But all the problems in the sea were forgotten as she swam to victory. Victory means win. W-I-N, win. वो सारी problems भूल गई जब अंत में वो जीत गई थी. A strange sense of fulfillment and an undying spirit of achievement had overtaken all the difficulties. But she was a determined girl, so because of her undying spirit means never ending zeal. The zeal, वो इच्छा, वो ताकत जो उसके माइंड के अंदर थी, उसने सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को ओवरकम कर दिया. Janki swim for 2 hours and a half in the channel had given the world an outstanding example of courage and determination. Janki swam for 2.5 hours, and she had made a world record, and this is an example for the world to follow, that being a handicapped girl, Janki has shown a courage and determination, and because of which she created history by swimming in the English Channel. Janki later remarked, later on after her victory, she commented, one can overcome all the obstacles by hard work, determination, courage, and self reliance. Obstacles means hurdles. Self reliance means when we believe in ourselves. तो what जानकी said कि हम सभी मुश्किलों का सामना कर सकते हैं। कैसे? अगर हम हार्ड वर्क करें, अगर हम फर्म डिसीजन ले लें, और अगर हम करेजियस है और हम अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखें, तो वी कैन विन, वी कैन ओवरकम ऑल द डिफिकल्टीज। सो डिड शी, और उसने ऐसे ही किया। fought against her limitation, limitation means drawback, and won the battle. So she also fought against her limitation. What was her limitation? She was a handicapped girl. So she fought against that disability, and finally she won the battle of swimming in the English Channel. I hope you have understood. Thank you.